Hello everyone, it's Dr. Patterson with your 60 Seconds with the Super. I am here with some fantastic 7th graders from Montford North Star Academy, and they have been learning something exciting in their science class. Can you tell us your name and what you've been learning?
So I am Finn Goldberg and I'm a student here at Montford, and in our science class we've been getting a visit from a UNCA professor, Dr. Ward, and she's brought in all of her high-tech equipment to tell us about all sorts of things about genetics, and we've actually been scanning our genes and learning about what our genetics are. Like in this example, we were learning about, can we taste bitterness or not?
Can you taste bitterness? Well, can you tell us about tasting bitterness since you've been working with Dr. Ward from UNC Asheville?
At first, we did a list of foods and we checked off all the ones that kind of weren't bitter, and we added up the numbers of the ones that were bitter.
How do you taste it? What does that mean?
It means do you perceive all of the bitterness how much bitterness do you perceive when you eat that? So for kale, for me, I taste a lot of bitter stuff because I'm a taster of bitterness. But for someone that doesn't taste it, there's a non-taster, they would not taste as much bitterness as I would, and they're more likely to like the food.
So you like bitter foods?
I do like bitter food.
Do you like bitter foods? Do you? Well, we are excited about our Magnet School Information Night. It will take place on Wednesday, January the 16th at Asheville Middle School. We hope to see everyone there to learn more about all of our elementary magnet schools. But also, our 5th graders will be visiting Montford North Star Academy. What information would you offer, or are you excited about the visits from the 5th graders?
I think that this is a great school for them to come to, and I think it's one of the best options because of our project-based learning concepts, which, we're always having fun and we're never just sitting down doing worksheets all day. We're learning through hands-on activities, and it means we're always more attentive during class.
Oh, that's exciting. So you're always busy at work. What do you think about Montford North Star, and what would you tell the 5th graders?
It's really fun. It's really fun. There's never a dull moment.
Obviously, you never know what's going to happen here.
And the teachers are amazing.
Very good. What would you say to the 5th graders?
I think it's a great opportunity for people that may want a smaller school or more hands-on learning, and I think I've learned more through the hands-on learning and projects than just doing a worksheet or listening to someone just stand up and show us. Being able to actually do it and do it in different ways really helps me understand it and go above and beyond.
Well, there you have it at Montford North Star Academy. We have amazing teachers, problem-based learning is taking place, and best of all, our students are actively engaged in all of their learning, and that is part of my vision, to make sure our students are personalizing their learning. It meets their needs, they're engaged, and they're having fun with their learning experiences. Again, I'm Dr. Patterson with your 60 Seconds with the Super. Have a great weekend.